Hi everybody, I want to show you my dry split cup pour. It turned out really cool. Um, and there was the little face. Now it looks like an owl kind of. But there's that one. And then this is the metallic pour, which turned out way cool. And I am going to use these same colors today with a black background. So I've already painted the canvas black. Let me put my gloves on, but I still need to pour the black on it. But I had to paint the background black because otherwise when I pulled the plastic wrap up, you would see the white canvas underneath. So this is just black acrylic paint mixed with Floetrol and water. I poured a little too much. I kept thinking I didn't have enough, so I mixed even more. And I didn't use it all. I figured it was better to have too much than not enough. Ah, my paper napkin got schmutz on here, but I think it'll burn off. You know what? I'm just gonna do it across here, and then we won't see it. So these are Jen Craft's pre-mixed acrylics. And why isn't the gold coming out? Probably because I haven't opened the gold. That would be why. Now it will. I knew I couldn't use my regular rainbow of colors on the black background. Oops, these are getting really big circles. Now for ice silver. Not a huge fan of working with a black background. I find it more challenging. It's harder to get the colors to show up, which is why I chose metallics. And now iron pearl. And last but not least, copper. Oh, you know what? I forgot I need one with silicone. So I will put some copper into this cup, add spot on treadmill silicone, stir that up. Totally forgot about that part. plastic on. I'm afraid I might have too much black on too much base coat. I can feel it really squishing around. So now it looks okay, but now you can see why I haven't done a black background before, because I knew the colors would become so muted into it. We'll see how it dries. Like right now it looks good, but sometimes when it dries on a black background it blends, it really mutes out. So we'll see. Let me bring the camera over. Oh yeah, and it really is muted. I'm not a big fan. And I'll show you the dry one in my next video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.